Hi there, students. Okay, the difference between wind up, annoy, irritate, bug, to cheese off, then we've got to wind up, okay, to irritate, yeah, and to tick off, yeah? Okay, you could tick someone off as well. Let's just look at the difference in these. Okay, to niggle means to complain. So he was niggling about the small details, okay? Complaining about the small details. So niggle is a small complaint about something that's not terribly important. Okay, something that annoys you. It makes you mildly angry. It irritates you, yeah? Okay, I think something that bugs you is something repetitive, something that irritates you continually or over a period. Okay, to cheese off or to be cheesed off is, okay, when you've had a bad day, you can be cheesed off. Huh. When something bad happens, I'm cheesed off because it's been raining all day, yeah? Okay, and this phrase to tick off, to be angry with, to criticize, you shouldn't have done that, yeah? You must remember to use the verb endings, okay? And, well, yeah, to wind up, to make somebody stressed. So something that winds you up could bug you as well, yeah? But not necessarily, okay? So, to wind up, to make tense, to make a person tense, to joke with someone, yeah? Okay, something that winds you up, annoys you, it bugs you, it irritates you, yeah? And then maybe afterwards it leaves you cheesed off or annoyed or irritated, yeah? And if you complain about a small, unimportant detail, you are niggling, to niggle. To tick someone off, to scold, you shouldn't have done that, yeah? And to wind up, to make somebody stressed. Okay? Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.